All right, the drywall is all up. It is completely drywalled in here now, and I have gone through and just did a little bit of sort of sealing some of the gaps, specifically over here where we're gonna want to make sure it's a little bit more soundproofed. So all of that is done, and I just screwed in the very first sound panel over the drywall, and it looks great. I'm so excited about it. We are using this Singapore Pocket travel guidebook because it is the perfect depth for getting, we're gonna have carpet tiles in here, so it is the perfect depth to slide the carpet tiles underneath. So there you go. Yeah, so those are going up right now. I'm going to continue to put those up. So those are going to continue up the wall and up and then over the ceiling. So it should look pretty cool. I have not gotten the panels up yet. That is next on the list for sure, but I did get the track up. So the track is up, the rollers are on. Just need to finish putting those panels on the sliding doors, and then we'll be good to go. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It looks really good now that it's all drywall. That feels like a huge milestone. You helping? Yeah. All right. It's been a long day, but essentially, man, the acoustics are different in here. Essentially, all the wood wall panels are on, and they look so good. You get this water falling effect coming from the ceiling down. The only thing left is there's a strip here, there's a strip up there, and then behind the door, we just ran out. But we had to get more anyway because we still have to put them on the two sliding panels. But man, the acoustics have completely changed in here. Obviously we still have the white wall in the back, which is good. I think it breaks up the wood a lot. If I stand in this corner, which is where our desk is gonna be, sort of with the soffit ceiling above, like, I don't know if you can hear that on, you know, the microphone on my iPhone, but it is definitely quieter. It's crazy. So I'm really happy with it. It took us all day to do this. Today is Saturday, September 9th? 8th? 9th? Yeah, I think so. 9th? I don't know. It'll be in the video. But yeah, I'm super stoked about it. And it took us all day. Huge, massive, massive shout out to my moderator and friend, Trogdor. He came over totally unexpectedly. He decided, he's like, hey, I'm gonna help you put up the panels. I know you're kind of on a deadline, and I'm gonna come over and help you. And I didn't ask him to. He came over and took payment in the form of friendship and burritos, which was so very kind of him. Really grateful for that guy. So yeah, it's getting there. It really is. So we're gonna order those panels. Those should come hopefully in like a week or so, and then we'll get them up onto, we'll glue them onto this. I have the panels upstairs. I don't think I've taken any footage of that. Maybe I should. But yeah, I'm gonna start to get this box ready. And the carpet tiles should be coming, again, hopefully maybe in a week or so. But yeah, it's really coming along. I'm stoked. Ashton is laying the carpet tiles. First section of carpet tiles. It's looking nice. They're like 4 feet long. And we don't know if we're gonna tack them down yet.
Yeah.
Still figuring that out. All right. Carpet's down. It's obviously a little messy because we're still doing a bunch of things, but I got the plates, or the covers, the outlet covers on. I still have to do the networking cable. And got the sliding panel doors on. Now, ooh. Okay. The construction. Our new Lego room and office is done. All that's left is, you know, everything else. Like all the drawer units. Gonna finish making the drawers, put those in, get the top on. We still have to order a shelf that's gonna go across there. I gotta do a little bit of paint touch-ups and stuff, but this needs to get finished, and then these 2 units need to get finished. These are 2 more drawer units. They're gonna go over there. This is the top for this. And then, yeah, these are all the rest of the drawers and things. And then I gotta get the desk down here and all that kind of stuff. That's the front for down here. Do some tidying up a little bit, do some paint touch-ups. But yeah, it is pretty much done. Feel really good about it. So yeah, everybody, that is gonna do it. I think that's gonna do it for these updates in terms of the unit and everything else. I think there'll be more videos to come on how we're gonna start to use all the drawer units and things, but I think as far as the sort of construction updates and all of that stuff goes with our new studio, that's gonna be it. I can't wait to move in here. We're getting very, very close. Still a little ways to go yet, but just some finishing touches and, you know, building some more stuff. But other than that, we're really, really close. And I can't wait to share the finished product with all of you and to stream in here and to be able to build a bunch of Lego and just make more videos and feel like, okay, this is our space now. I'm really, really excited for it. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this next construction update, and hopefully next time, well, probably not next video, but hopefully very, very soon, the next videos will be filmed right in here. Thank you again, everybody, for watching. I really, really do appreciate it, and until next time, remember, keep on building. Jim out!